so I got a new chainsaw to share today. This one is a chainsaw 5800, it says. Now, one thing with this one, it says it uses a 25:1 oil ratio. I feel like that's a lot of oil, but I will go by what the manufacturer says for this one. We do have a chain guard, and this one is a 20-inch bar and chain. Here at the top, this is where you're going to get to your air filter. So you're just going to unscrew this here. You'll also get to your spark plug here too. You're going to pop that open. You got your little air filter, and then you got your spark plug right here. Here's your choke. Here's your on-off switch. Over here on the sides where your fuel's going to go in, and over here's where your bar and chain oil is going to go. All right, so first off, we need to go ahead and get some bar and chain oil in here. And they do recommend at least a premium of 90 octane. I am using a 92 premium octane non-ethanol. Now this one is a 40 to 50 one, but you can get mixtures for your different 2 cycles if you don't want to do all the mixing. All right, so it's a generic chainsaw. This one is a 5800, and it actually works really, really well. And it starts up the first try pretty much every single time. But if you're looking for a chainsaw that works really well, it's budget friendly. This one's a 5800. It's generic, and I don't really have any complaints about it so far.